This video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of the Uno on your phone, no jailbreak, and this works on iOS and Android. So as you can see, I got unlimited resources, so let's get right into the video. So the first step is to go to this website, guys, called tweakgpt.com. Alright, so let me just type that in right here. So it's tweakgpt.com, and what this is it's like a cool AI powered website. And we're going to go to the search bar here, this like enter a prompt thing, and type in Uno. And as you can see, it says looking for Uno mod, follow these steps, go to Hex Mods and search for Uno. So let's do that right here. So we're on the Hex Mods now, and we're going to go to the search bar and we're going to type in Uno. And let's see if it comes up. And as you can see, there it is. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but be sure to try this out for yourself because it's super insane. And that's how you can get the Uno mod, guys. So this is super cool and it fully works. So get the word out, guys, because Uno is a fun game, but it's funner with money. And I'm going to show you guys right here. If you go to the App Store and type in Uno, you can see it is super expensive. So as you can see, if we go to the in-app purchases, nah, bro. So I don't want to pay for that. It's not who I am. But anyway, guys, be sure to try this out for yourself. It's super insane. And it's a fully working modded version, guys, so you can become the richest player there is. And this is just super crazy that it actually works, guys. So I'm going to see you in another video, so be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super cool and fully works on iOS and Android devices. So if this video works, you guys definitely go and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool, totally updated for all your devices, and it's so crazy. So I'm going to see you guys later. I hope you guys enjoyed, but yeah, get the word out right now while it's still working. It's super cool, guys, and it's totally ready for all your devices. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, so subscribe to the channel. But yeah, it's a super cool, guys, fully working version. So get the word out right now while it's still updated and everything, and peace out.